you ever logged into your iTax and just stared at the screen, confused where to even begin? Hi, and welcome back to RM Solutions. Well, today I'm showing you how to file your KRA Nil Return in under 60 seconds. No stress, no confusion, just step-by-step simplicity. So let's go. Now let's walk through it together step by step. So step number one, go to your browser and go to itax.kra.go.ke. This will add you into the KRA portal login page. Then step number two, insert your KRA PIN. Write your KRA PIN correctly and then click at continue. Then step number three, enter your password. You know your password. So make sure you enter your password correctly and then go ahead and solve this simple math here just to prove that you are not a robot. Then click at login. This will take you into the dashboard, and now we go to step number four, whereby you just hover where there is file returns. Then you click at file Nil Return. Then click there. What it will do, it will give you this page. On this form, you should select what you want to file. This is self. Then you can see taxpayer PIN is there. Tax obligation. This is where you click and select resident. You are income tax resident because you are a Kenyan. Then once you select that, you go to next. Once you are on this page, it will give you the period, that is January, date 1st January 2024 to 31st December 2024. What we normally file, we filed for the previous year. So we are showing KRA from 1st January 2024 to December 2024. So once you click that option, which is step number 5, number 6, then the last part you hit submit. Okay, click at submit. Once you click at submit, definitely it will give you that message that you want to confirm your filing nil return. Okay, so that will show that you are done. Then you click at OK. Then that is it. So make sure that at the end of it you close this tab, and then there is somewhere it is written download. So this is the step number 8. Make sure you download this acknowledgement receipt because it's your proof of filing returns. And if you'd like a quick reference, I've also prepared a downloadable guide to help you file your returns with ease. Check the link in the description below. Simple, right? Now you can file your nil return in under a minute. In my next video, I'll be breaking down exactly how to file KRA returns for employment income step by step. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more KRA and finance tips. Comment below if I have just helped you file your nil return. And if you're not sure which return to file, or you would like me to personally help you with this, check the description.